Hi, I'm George, and I want to talk to you about Redbubble, which is a great site for selling original artwork. Now, they really shine in two areas. One is t-shirts, and the second one is stickers. Look over here at their top menu, clothing left-hand side, stickers is our second one right here, and that's what they sell mostly on. And the reason why they sell these is that they advertise on Google. If you go into a search for t-shirts or for stickers for different topics, you're most likely going to find Redbubble advertising some of their best sellers right there on Google. So they do all that advertising for you. Now, the question is, can you make money on Redbubble? Sure. I make money on Redbubble all the time. I don't make a whole lot. I just put up a kind of a test site that I use just for doing videos like this on YouTube. And even though I'm not giving it any real attention, I'm still making sales every single month. Now, if I put any attention into it, I'm sure I can make a good living doing this Redbubble. Now, I only have just a few designs, so I don't expect a whole lot of success from my particular channel, but if you put attention into it, you can do quite well. Now, like with everything else, you really have to pay attention to this, and you really have to put some effort into it to get the returns back out. It seems to me from my testing that you need to have at least 500 designs up on Redbubble before you have enough to begin to have a good number of sales. 1,000 would be even better. So there's a lot of work there to get up designs, a lot of design work to do this. But it's not that difficult, especially if you do variations and things. Let's take a little look around here and see what we have. We'll first start off with clothing. There we go. And in clothing, the main thing is t-shirts. Let's come down here to t-shirts. The nice thing about Redbubble is that you design the artwork for it and upload that artwork, and then Redbubble puts it on all the t-shirts for you. It does all that work for you. It also handles all the sales. It handles all the shipping, all of that stuff. All you need to do is just to sit back and bring in the profits. Now, they're not huge because they're doing most of the work. You get a small percentage, but the small percentage can add up, especially if you have a successful design. Go up here to the search function. I'm just going to put in cat like that. We have cat and stickers, cat and t-shirts, cat and sweatshirts and hoodies. These are all popular ones. Notice that some of these have this little zigzag thing left-hand side. That means that these are currently trending. Now, personally, I stay away from these trending things. A lot of people on YouTube recommend that you look for trending topics and then jump in and do your own designs for the trending topics. The problem with these trending topics is that you have tons and tons and tons of competition. Everybody is doing this. So if you want to find a topic where everybody's jumping in, everybody's making t-shirts, everybody's making stickers, that's the trending stuff. So I stay away from those. Instead, I like to find things that are more standard, traditional, evergreen, things that people search for all the time. They're not really exciting necessarily. They're not really trending, but they're consistent. If you have enough of this consistent stuff, you can do very, very well here. Let's do a little search for dog. These are both real standard things. Obviously, horses would be another one. Fish would be another one. Any kind of pets. Like down here, dogs are my favorite people. Retrievers. There's going to be a lot of competition for that. Let's take a quick look at that one. And here we go. It's trending. These are all doing the same kind of thing. Notice they all have the same titles in here. Lots and lots and lots of competition for those exact same titles, making it very difficult to get placed or shown here on the first page with any of these results. So again, I don't really like going for trending topics. I tend to stay away from those. But there are lots of standard things that you can do, search for, like, dog is man's best friend. That's pretty standard. Let's do a search for that. There's going to be results in here, but not that many. 3,000 people are leaving it alone because they don't think it's trending, but people will be searching for this all the time. And this has a good potential because people will be doing this kind of a basic search, especially your dog lovers. And with things like dogs, you can do all the different dog styles. If you find one that you like, simply change the kind of dog and then put the name of the dog into your description and into your design. And people will search for their favorite dog type. And look for dog is man's best friend. And as you can see right down here, they'll search for the different dog types. It's a great way to go. Now, these are all stickers. Stickers are fairly cheap. You only make a few cents per sticker, but you can sell a lot of stickers. Let's see now how you go ahead and set up an account. I'm just going to log out of my account first. Okay, I'm logged out. Now, there's no cost to setting up a Redbubble account. Go over here to sign up, and you have two options. Customer sign up, in case you want to be purchasing things, or artist sign up if you want to sell things online. Click on artist sign up, then put in your email address, create a shop name, and put in a password, and then sign up. That's really all you have to do. Now, once you're signed up, you're going to have to do a few things to set this up so you can actually sell here. And of course, you need to link up some kind of a place to accept money. I have mine going through my PayPal account. So it just goes right to PayPal for making any sales. Real easy to do here to sign up for this setup. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like once you've signed up to your account. I'm now signed into my demo account, and I'll go up here and click on account, and we'll click on account settings. And here you go. Once you're inside, you can set up an avatar. This is just a default one that comes with Redbubble. You can upload your own image for this. You can choose a cover image for your Redbubble store. The dimensions are right down here, 2400 pixels by 600 high, JPEG or PNG format. I happen to like using PNG and everything. Fill in basic information in here for your profile. Choose what you want to be receiving email-wise, just information. I normally have all that stuff checked. Come down here and put in basic information about copyright. In this case, is just the name. I always recommend having this checked down here, off-site marketing. That just means that Redbubble is going to be pushing t-shirts, stickers, and so forth on different sites. You want to be included in that. Scroll back up here to the top. Edit payment details. I haven't done this yet for my demo account. First name, last name, address, how you want to get paid, what currency you want to have this in. If you want to go to a verified PayPal account or right into a bank deposit account, you have those two options. I use PayPal. Make sure you read the user agreement, check that, and then save changes. Now, once you have all that done, then you can go into your dashboard right here, create products and put those up. I recommend setting up a shop first so you have some place for your products to show up. That's because as you make more products, you want people to be able to go to your store or to your shop and find more of your products there at your shop. There's links for those inside of the descriptions, inside of the search. If somebody finds your designs on Redbubble and they look at your design, they can then go to that design, and in there will be a link to your shop where they can see the rest of your design. So it's a good idea to go ahead and get this part of it set up ahead of time. Lots of information in here about how to set up and work with Redbubble. I'll be doing some more videos about this, so we'll work through all of that stuff in future videos. But again, very easy to come in here and make your own designs or products. Let's just do a fast search up here. Let's see how it goes. Let's go back here to the dog is man's best friend that we already did a search for. And we'll pick a basic t-shirt here, the very first one, left-hand side. So once you do a design like this, Redbubble will put that design on a lot of different products. They'll put it on t-shirts, they'll put it on hats, they'll put it on stickers, they'll put it on phone cases, blankets, pillows, a lot of stuff. So it's available. One design is available for a lot of different purchasing options. And when you're over here, let's just scroll down a little bit. We'll see how this goes. Here's some more variations on that, as you can see. And we'll scroll down. There are some reviews in here. Those kind of generalized reviews. Here's some more designs from the same designer. And there's the viewing the shop right here. So if people get down this far, they can then go right to the shop. And that's why I recommend getting the shop set up first and then adding in your designs into your shop. There's also similar designs on here. If you keep on scrolling down, here are the t-shirt tags that have been used. And you'll tend to see this a lot on the first few designs on any search. And this really is spamming. And I don't guarantee that these will be staying on here. These might be kicked off of Redbubble at any point. So I don't recommend doing spamming like this. It's not going to work, especially because most of what's in here doesn't make any difference. It doesn't match your t-shirt design. It's not going to be useful at all. For instance, Southern, space, speak, special, specific, speech, spend, sport, spring. What does any of this stuff got to do with a dog being man's best friend? Absolutely nothing. So this particular t-shirt tag here won't be getting you any buyers or any viewers for your design. So I wouldn't bother with any of this kind of stuff. It's just a waste of your time. It's not going to be helping you out at all. It's much better to have fewer tags, but have your tags specific to your design, because people will be searching for specifics, and the more specific your tags are, the better chance you have of actually showing up well for those searches and not showing up all over the place where nobody cares about the design. So make sure you have good tags and not this kind of spammy stuff. Again, I see this far too much here on Redbubble. But there we go. That's just a fast, quick look through here at what Redbubble is all about. And in my next video, I'll go into a bit more detail on how to set up and design a t-shirt and then upload that t-shirt onto Redbubble for sale. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button, click on share, click on subscribe. I'll be doing videos every single day here on how to make money online. And for the next few videos, I'm kind of focusing on Redbubble. So check back frequently for all of my new videos. And I'll see you next time.